These are the images that I took from the second day of recording at Monochrome. Basically, today we managed to record the bass and guitar. We did have a bit of a look at keys, but we didn't get onto any recording of the keys. But we managed to get full recordings of both tracks for bass and guitar. We started with bass, and we had a discussion about sort of how we could record and things, talking about different amps and stuff that we could use and that were available at the facility. But so because we were on a tight time schedule and we didn't have like loads of time, we thought that the best plan of action would be to DI the bass and use a preamp kind of a thing. That's what this is here. It's sort of like a fancy DI box. So it's just a little bit better, um, and it allows the bass just to have a bit of a better sound to it. It's just like it's like a fancy DI box basically, but it just allows the bass to be a bit better. We decided to do the same for guitar as well, and so that's what this is here. It's sort of the same. It's just like a preamp kind of a thing for the guitar. Um, because so we plug straight in because with both bass and guitar, because we didn't have loads of time, and actually it was easier to sort of play things and listen back and sort of talk and stuff while everyone being in the same room, rather than people having to go down and upstairs, because uh, the recording room was downstairs, and then the sort of the main where the desk was and everything was upstairs. So it was easier and more time efficient to plug straight in and use sort of preamps and sort of fancy DI boxes and things to get a good sound. I thought the day actually went quite well and was very enjoyable. We got some good recordings for bass guitar and guitar and electric guitar. We did the electric was playing mainly sort of rhythm stuff throughout. There wasn't really any kind of lead guitar or anything, so that was we only had sort of one part to play for each song, so that wasn't too hard. But I thought generally that they went well. We had a good discussions and everything. We played stuff well, and the audio tracks sound really good. I've listened to them, um, and I thought that the day was very productive. This does mean, however, that we will have to that well I will have to record the keys and the vocals, but I have organised two recording days at at my college to record the other two songs, and I probably have time to fit in um, just sort of the keys and vocals for those two songs as well, for these two other songs as well. So it does mean that for the 2 days I have recording at college will be sort of very busy and tightly packed days. But I think with well planning and good thinking of how I can do everything, if luck goes my way, I think I can definitely get it all done. So that's kind of what happened during the day.